How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shainer's Mechanic Life. Do you have a heavy-duty truck with a check transmission light on and an Allison transmission with a push-button gear selector like this? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to check and clear the codes without a scan tool. Just everything right through here. Here we go. Quite easy. Just turn your key to the on position with the engine off. And to get into the diagnostic codes, simultaneously you press the up and down button twice. Diagnostic 1 is 4, 6, 2, 7. And you go to the next codes, you hit button mode. I'll give you the second code if there is, 4, 6, 2, 1. Let's see if there's a third. Nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. And you go back to 1. Then you can look up the codes on the internet, or if you have a owner's manual or your shop manual, you might be able to fix it yourself. Now, quite often with these Allison transmissions, when it has a trouble code, it'll disable that area of the transmission to save, basically prevent further damage. So it's quite normal for the transmission to only give you 1 or 2 gears, or you might not have reverse. But don't be alarmed. It may not be anything majorly mechanical. It could just be fail-safe, preventing further damage. Now, in past experiences, whenever I've had an Allison with trouble codes come up, greater portion of the time the problem's not inside the transmission. It's actually in the wiring going to the transmission. So, especially when your issue pops up, let's say when it's really wet outside or raining or snow, then chances are you've got water getting into the harness and finding a short. So, best thing you can do is undo the connectors at the transmission, check the connections there, make sure they're clean and tight, put them back in, and give the harness going to and from the transmission a good visual inspection. Make sure nothing's rubbing, nothing's kinked, you don't see any obvious damage. And a lot of times too, whenever there's like a wire breakage or something, take a look at the harness as it runs along the frame or as it moves around towards different parts of the truck. Anytime there's like a tight bend or something like that, a lot of times when the wire bends, it just puts a lot of stress on it. And as the truck's running, vibrating, stuff like that, sometimes it'll break inside. Now, to clear the codes is just as easy. You press and hold the mode button for 10 seconds. Now you're back to neutral. Now I usually just double check, make sure they're clear. Diagnostic 1 is nothing. All the codes are now cleared. So now I usually take it for a test drive and rescan it, or not rescan it, but check the codes again and see if anything's returned. Just want to end this video by thanking someone who left a comment in one of my previous videos, Nicholas Curry. Thanks for the comment. I really appreciate it. Well, I hope you found this video informative, and I definitely hope it helps someone save a lot of money. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like that video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get notified when we get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and see you next time.